So, good morning, everyone. It's the 30th of July, and we're getting close to that time of year when mysterious parcels arrive at our door. So, it could be someone I've ordered off of eBay or Amazon, but I thought we would film this and let's see what's inside. Let's just cut through the tape. It's got fragile signs all over it, but there's no return address or anything, so we've got no idea where this has come from. Let's just make one final cut. So, Fear Island, the Infernal Rising. Been invited to the press night of Fear Island, the Infernal Rising. My dearest friend, can you believe it's been at least a year since we last met? Too much time has passed since you introduced my darkest secrets and experienced true fear. For you are ready to return, step foot back on the island. Come experience a twisted new version of the award-winning Ravenous. Take a solo journey through the 9 circles of hell. Enjoy the spooks and ghouls and the phantoms of Psycho Mansion and experience a new attraction like no other. So wrap up warm and journey to the new island of fear. We can't wait to see you. Kind regards, the Phantom. Play me first. Do not open box yet. Place the box in front of you. Okay, well, I'm going to get this set up on the PC, which isn't turned on at the moment, and we'll be back in a minute.
Hello, Michael. Do not press the button until the end of the countdown. This is no ordinary box. In Victorian times, toys were more than playthings. A child's yo-yo, a spinning top, a doll, or even a jack-in-the-box could be kept close to the heart, a way to stay connected to the loved one lost all too soon. Some believed it was a bridge, a tether to the spirit world. But not all spirits are kind. Sometimes the whisper of grief called something else, something darker, a stronger, malevolent force that would push the gentler soul aside and crawl into the toy instead, hiding behind the mask of innocence, pretending to be a child's friend, waiting, watching, wanting more. This box is no different. It is, in many ways, like Schrödinger's box. Right now, it is both empty and full, a vessel holding silence and a nightmare at the same time. What lives inside does not exist until you press the button. So here it is, waiting in front of you. You may press the button on the front and see what is revealed, or you may leave it closed, forever trapping whatever lurks within. The choice is yours. I will now count down. Focus. Stare at the box. Let your mind imagine what lies behind the lid. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Within a place, inside a room, there sits a man encased in gloom. He heard a cry and all went black. Up came his axe, his mind went snap. See you soon, my